almost here. Yes, Daddy, I can't wait until that feast happens with the delicious birds. Correct, my little cute kid. Oh no, they're almost here. Don't worry, we will protect by the help of bald eagle powers and crow powers. Okay, now let us all get into the houses. And I will also help those two with flamingo powers. Okay, you, Baldy, and Crowy, protect us, okay? Meanwhile, we will be in our houses. We will do. Okay, every bird has to be in the same house. Let's go. Everybody, let's be in that apartment where Baldy, the duck, ostrich, and the elder brother of my kids and babies and the egg lives. Come on, everybody, quickly, follow me. Whoa! I'm coming! Wait for us! Yeah! We will protect you. Come on, everybody. Let's go in the front of the gate. Let's go! I'm coming. We are here. And there are the guys we have to face. I don't want to be cooked. Go! Oh no, I forgot about my egg. Otherwise they will make my egg omelette. Okay, phew, I got it just in time. I sat on the egg. Cannonball! Let go, everybody. Let's go, Mr. Brown, the new flock member. Yeah, I'm coming. Let's go. Let's go. Oh no! Let me go. I'm coming. Guys, today is an emergency with the birds. That's why the video is getting a little shaky. Now let's continue with the birds. Let's go. I'm coming. Let me come. I'm coming. Meow. Ouch. We both are coming together. Well, something fell. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. I'm hiding in the duck's house. Let's go. Meanwhile, those three do the work. Ow. Whee. Oh no, this is going to hurt. Whee. Ow. I hurt myself. Let's go, everybody. I'm going. Oh, ouch. I'm coming with my egg. Oh no, my egg. Where should I keep my egg? Oh, maybe in my brand new car incubator right there. Let's put it in my brand new car incubator. Okay, done. Now let's switch on the incubator. It has no wire, so there's the switch. We just have to activate it and boom, bada bing, bada bang, and it will activate. Let's do it. Eat. Great. Now let's go with the car incubator. Oops. There we go. Everybody, quickly! They're almost going to show up in the bird city. I'm here with my car incubator. I'm here. Ouch. To be continued.